craft advisory in effect from this evening through Thursday afternoon. For today, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east this afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. Slight chance of rain late. For tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots after midnight. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Rain. For Thursday, east winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northeast 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Rain. And for Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west after midnight. Seas 1 to 2 feet in the evening, then 1 foot or less. Rain. The marine forecast for the Long Island South Shore bays. Small craft advisory in effect from this evening through Thursday morning. For today, northeast winds around 10 knots, becoming east this afternoon.